The Rejuvi Healing Gel. Now this I must use at least 10 times in my facial. It is one of my most favorite products. It is 98% aloe vera. It does have a little chamomile in it. It is fantastic for so many things. Now let's start with that list. It is great as an oily skin moisturizer. If you're somebody that is combination oily, maybe you're going to the gym and you want to put on just something light, this is what you put on your skin and go to work out. Maybe you have been out in the sun, you come back and you're a little bit sunburnt. This is what you can use on that sunburn that's so soothing, so calming. Maybe you've had some waxing done or you've shaved your face. And for guys, this is one of the best things after you shave your face. For waxing, one of the best things to put on, it stops those little red bumps from coming up and being really irritated and sensitive. It is such a soothing gel, and anytime you go to do a treatment and you're doing an acid, an alpha hydroxy acid, it's one of the things that I put, the first thing I put on after I do an AHA on the skin. And this is it here. It's just a very, very light, soothing gel. It's so nice whenever I do an AHA on the skin. This is the first thing that goes on the skin. Maybe I've done an exfoliant that has a little bit of a glycolic in it. The skin's a little tingly. This is the first thing I put on the skin. If somebody's sensitive, they have eczema, dermatitis, and I don't want to use a lot on the face, this is always going to be the first thing that goes on the skin. So I use it all the time in my treatment room. I would not like to ever be without it because it's such a popular and just a really important product for me in my treatment room. My kids have it at home, and it's, so you get a mosquito bite, you get a burn, any of these things, this is the best product for that. Teenage acne, this is a great moisturizer. For oily skin, young kids that don't want much of a moisturizer on their skin, this is a product for you. So one of my biggest selling products, one of my most used products is the Rejuvi Healing Gel.